Hi everybody, it's Jane from Living Skies Vintage. Thought I'd come to you today. I've got a small thrifting haul and a little bit of mail that came to me this last week. So I thought I'd share that with you now. So let's take a look. Hold on. So here we are back again. Just to come back and show you this little thrifting haul and something that I got in mail. So first of all, I'll show you what I got in the mail. And this is a lovely little piece that arrived from Dawn at Hudson Vintage. It's a little scrimshaw. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like a wild canary to me, but it is a scrimshaw piece. When I look at it through the loop, you can see that all of that black has been scratched in, and if you look really closely, there's even a little signature on there, which I'm going to have to take a look. But I've looked at this pretty close, and she called it better than bone. I think that she's probably correct in what she said in that case. It's on a beautiful little silver chain from Barony, which I don't think is original to the piece, but I'm gonna take a little more research on that. But isn't that sweet? Beautiful. Now the rest of this, I'll put that there. See, I got a little pumpkin here today too. I don't know if you can see him, my little Halloween pumpkin. Ah. Anyways, so thrifting. Here's a couple of the bigger pieces that I found. I just thought this was a really cute little watch. Real sweet. It works. Mother of pearl dial. Nice little cuff bracelet watch. I think these are really handy to wear. I find I don't want to be looking at my phone all the time to see what the time is. I think it's rude when people are constantly looking at their phone. But I can kind of look at my watch without too many people being concerned about it. So, anyways, I think these are handy. I have a number of really pretty watches. There, and I happen to like the color. It's very kind of Halloween-like with the orange there, don't you think? Anyways, so that. Here is another piece that I got. It is mother of pearl on, I would say, an enamel of some sort. It's certainly been pieced together, a mother of pearl mosaic with turquoise seed beads on a braided cord and a button clasp. But I think these are really pretty. I love when natural elements are used to make jewelry. I just think it's Mother Nature is beautiful, and that's just a perfect example of it. Anyways, so I got really lucky, and here's something that I found thrifting. Look at this. I'll turn it over. Most of it looked worse than this, and that says EP steel silver plated, made in China. I didn't clean the bottom. I did clean the sides and the top, and this was like black. But look at the inside. All velvet on the inside, and look at my little goodies that just fit in there. So here we go. Show you some of these that I got. Oh yes, and I got this thrifting too, so I think that's pretty cool. Anyways, here is, I love big earrings. Here's a really nice pair, kind of a yin and yang symbol with flowers on it. Gonna be really light, silver tone, but heck, they're gonna be fun to wear, don't you think? Look at the size of them. But they are gonna be light as air, and like I say, fun to wear. Just put you there. you might see me wearing them in a future video. Here's another pair of what I would say are fun, light costume jewelry. These kind of gave me a little bit of an Egyptian vibe, but they're more of a gold tone. Again, I've kind of cleaned and polished them up from what they looked like. I just think that they look so much better, usually, than when I find them. Some of them are like pretty dirty, but these, I think, again, nice and light, like the little green in behind. And as I said, I thought it's kind of gives you an Egyptian or African vibe to those. So, like those. And, oh, here's something. Found these. These are obviously artisan made, but aren't these fun for Halloween? Look at this. Big brass stars with a copper disc and a kind of a silver disc, all dangly. And that's gotta be, like, look how long that is. And they made it into a left and a right too, because the stars are facing each other. They're mirror images, not matching exactly. So very thoughtful artisan in this piece, I would think. Not sure what those are, but actually the dots on the silver makes me think of the Pleiades star system. There may be more into this the artisan put, but I don't see any. I gotta take that bit off. I don't see any signatures or marks on this, but look at how you can see how the copper was, or the brass and the copper were kind of hammered there on the back and then polished on the front. I haven't cleaned these in any way, shape, or form to change what they look like, so, but I like those. These I picked up from the YXE antique shop, and if you kind of watch my last video, you'll see my trip to that. This is another thrifty find. Pow, 1980s. Look at that, pink and gray on a gold tone earring that is like humongous, but so light that they will be fun to wear. They will just be so fun to wear. So we'll put you there. You're just so big. And then the other things that I found at the YXE Antique is I picked up this little brooch. It kind of reminds me of some of the Tibetan brooches and jewelry that I have found. Not sure what this is. I think that this is a stone. Just give me a second here. I haven't had a chance to look at it really close. Well, yeah, it's a stone of some kind. It has like consent. It's funny because it has in the stone itself. It has, I don't know if you can see. If the camera focuses on that, but there's like concentric rings in the stone itself. Maybe it's glass. Anyways, I thought it was pretty. I need to all the dangles are there. I noticed there is a little bit of green in one of these that I'm gonna have to take care of, but I haven't had a chance to. But it's I'm pretty sure it's a Tibetan made brooch. Very pretty. And then again at the YXE Antique Mall, I found a pair of Fury clip earrings. These are glass. They're clips. Oh yeah, they're cold. They're glass. And you can see that the cane work that makes the flowers goes all the way through to the other side of the glass. I don't know if you can, that's glue from the back, but that's a little tiny piece of Mille glass, which I thought was really pretty with the flowers, and they will be pretty as worn. And the other thing I noticed is they're not exactly the same. You can see different flowers in them. Another favorite. So that's my haul and my mail that I've gotten this week. So I hope everybody's having a great day, and we'll see what comes next week. I've been off the buying spree for a little while. I've got to start a selling spree here. So you know, if there's anything that you've ever seen on any of my videos, just, you know, you can contact me at livingskiesvintage@gmail.com. I'll put that in the information below. I'm going to try and get on maybe some pop-up sales soon when I have the time. So keep an eye out for me, and we'll see what's going. So thank you very much, all of you that currently subscribe to my channel. Thank you for anyone that's recently come to view my channel. I really do appreciate you all, and I hope to move along this YouTube venture a little bit further. And well, I hope to see you all again soon. So take care and see you soon. Bye.